So what did I do with there, man? I gotta cut this down here. To brace this thing, I'm gonna cut it over here. I'm gonna put a cup in here. I'm gonna come over here. Same thing with the liquid line. I'm gonna have to fix something up for 10 unit. Yeah. I don't know. This thing is yeah. You say it's kinky. I don't think it's kinky, dude. Okay, let me keep going over. Gotta put working on the whip now. The whip now. So I could come over here and then come down, straight down. Then come this one over here like this. Right? Right? Right. Right? Right. Right? Right. Oh, they already tight this sucking in. So I'm gonna have to cut in this side. Yeah, like that. Right? Right. Right? Right. So set now. I've got to put this thing together over here. Didn't put too much now. No good. It's supposed to be 9, subtool 9, and shoot. Didn't put a little bit too much now. Damn. Oh shoot, it was down to 5. Now I see like I put a little too much now. Shoot. It's supposed to be 9. According to this over here, let's see. It's a 3-ton, right? Outside temperature is 82, so I'm supposed to have 9 subcool. Subcool 9 right there. And my pressure should be 82, 3-ton, 325 in the high side and 133 low side.
55.
55? Yep, good. I think it's 10 now, but I think it could be a couple, 3 or 5 degree minus on plus. All right. Get out of here. Okay. That's what she wrote. Beautiful job. Wink HVAC and Super Tech. I know I'm gonna get grief about that, but no choice. It's right in the middle of the yard, so what it is, what it is.